Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set Super Wallpaper in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56, so let's see how can you do this. To set Super Wallpaper in your phone, you must have to open your Play Store, and here just first search for an app which is Pika Super Wallpaper. Just search for this one and then open this app and then tap on install to install it on your phone. And after that you just have to wait for its installation. Just wait for it. So after the installation you must have to tap on open to open the app, then select agree and continue from here. And after that just select the cross icon in the top right corner, and here just select the super wallpaper, and here you just have to look for the wallpaper which you want to set as your own phone. And I'm going to select this one from here, so just tap on it, then tap on video unlock, just tap on it, and here after that you will just have to watch an ad, so just wait for it. Just wait for the ad. It's almost 30 seconds, so you just have to wait for it. And when the ad has been completed, just select the cross icon in the top right corner to skip it, then tap on it, and here just select apply, then select set now, and just enable because super wallpaper from here. Now go back, then select apply, then select OK, then select set wallpaper, and then select on which you want to set. And I'm going to select from home scene, and here you can see the set successfully. Now tap on OK. And now go back and check, and here you can see I have just set a super wallpaper on my Samsung A36 or 56. So that's how you can easily set wallpaper in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.